Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the Lyndon B. Johnson Memorial Bridge in Rockport, Texas. This bridge carries State Highway 35 across Aransas Bay, connecting the cities of Rockport and Fulton. It serves as the main roadway between the two communities and is a key route along the Texas Gulf Coast. The bridge is named after Lyndon B. Johnson, the 36th President of the United States, who was born in Texas. The bridge opened in 1974 to replace an older causeway and improve coastal transportation. It plays an important role for daily travel, tourism, commercial traffic, and hurricane evacuations. Thank you for joining us on this drive on Lyndon B. Johnson Memorial Bridge.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching.